Wall Street has rallied on Friday, with the Dow and the Nasdaq posting their 8th consecutive weekly gains, as investors grew hopeful that the United States and China would hammer out an agreement resolving their protracted trade war. All three major U.S. indexes ended the session higher, and for the fourth straight session, the S. Talks between the United States and China will resume in Washington next week, with both sides saying progress has been made toward resolving the two countries' contentious trade dispute. Tariff-vulnerable industrials provided the biggest lift to the blue-chip Dow, led by bellwethers Boeing Co., 3M Co., United Technologies Inc. and Caterpillar Inc. This may be just false hope with the tariff situation, as thorny details still need to be agreed upon, said David Carter, Chief Investment Officer at Lenox Wealth Advisors in New York. It's good news, but it's not over yet. Indeed, the trade wars effects were reflected in beer. The agricultural equipment manufacturers' shares fell 2.1%. Solving the trade issue could give global growth a boost it needs, Carter added. Absent a tariff solution, growth will continue to slow, with nearly 80% of S. Analysts now see a profit increase of 16.2% for the quarter, according to Refinitiv data. Going forward, however, the outlook continues to worsen. First quarter earnings are currently seen falling by 0.5%, the first year-on-year decline since mid-2016. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 443.86 points, or 1.74%, to 25,883.25 bps. Points, or 1.09%, to 2,775.6, and the Nasdaq Composite added 45.46 points, or 0.61%, to 7,472.41, all 11 major sectors in the S. The rate-sensitive financial sector led the S. Shares of PepsiCo were up 3.1% even after the snack and beverage company forecast a surprise drop in full-year profit. Nvidia Corp rose 1.8% following the company's forecasts for its current fiscal year topped Wall Street expectations. The chip maker gave the second-largest boost to the closely watched Philadelphia SE Semiconductor Index, which was up 0.5%. The index has jumped nearly 18% so far this year. Amazon.com shares were down 0.9% after scrapping its plans for a New York headquarters. In fact, each of Amazon's fellow FAANG members, a group of momentum stocks which also includes Facebook Inc., Apple Inc., Netflix Inc., and Google parent Alphabet Inc., also ended the session in the red. Advancing issues outnumbered declining ones on the NYSE by a 3.66 to 1 ratio. On Nasdaq, a 2.58 to 1 ratio favored advancers. Volume on U.S. exchanges was 7.07 billion shares, compared to the 7.43 billion average over the last 20 trading days.